Uh.
Is it on? Oh, you put music there or can I talk?
Yeah, you put the music on.
So you want me to hear me going, this is so cool?
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Okay.
It has a bubble in him.
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get?
In this pack? Oh, I got Dad.
What?
Come here. Look, I got this guy's shape.
Ooh, that looks like,
Alkaline, that's
Yeah.
the same shape, yeah. These were Series 1. Then
that was Series 2, buddy.
I know, but if these were Series 1, they basically, I think, be all either wanted or most wanted. Dang it. Now I have 2 doubles already.
Of what?
These 2 guys.
You gotta trade them, buddy.
Huh?
You gotta trade them up.
Oh, I might sell them.
To who?
On eBay, possibly. 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 Really good. This guy, I really want him.
Get them?
No. Dad, I'm talking to the camera, you know.
Well, they're talking to me.
No, I'm talking to the camera. Yay! Wait.
Yes!
Yes, I got cubic!
Yes! No way! Cubic! Let me see.
No, the shape.
Let's see.
The shape. That's the guy that I really wanted in Series 1.
Whoa.
I did get him.
Yes!
See that? Good. Yeah, see that? He's a gunslinger. Alien!
How many y'all have to open?
3.
Dude, I got my fingers crossed, man.
What?
I got my fingers crossed.
For what?
Just get the one we want. That you want, not me, you.
Awesome.
Did you get him? Did you get him?
No. I didn't even open the other packs. There, now I'm opening this one. You are not special. You are not special. You are not special. Yes, I finally got that clown guy. I got him.
Give me 5, give me 5,
I
give
got
me
the
10.
guy.
Give me 10, give me 20. Oh, you just knocked them all on the floor.
I got the guy that I wanted finally. And visitors too.
Oh my god. Wow.
What?
This is gonna be good.
Cool. Crazy nerd. Where's my other sticker? Where'd be my other sticker? I think. Okay, is it? Nah. And there. Yeah. Nick. Ooh. This guy looks kind of cool. Yeah. Cool. That guy looks awesome. Look at the stickers. One more to go.
Dude, that's so cool. We got the one we wanted. You want it?
I already did.
I know, that's awesome.
Just one of them so far. That guy just got. Except in green. Alright. Yeah. This guy's cool, yo. Alright. Bye-bye. Wait. Bye-bye. Huh. Boo! Scary. Okay, bye-bye. How do I stop this, Dad?
I don't know. I don't know how to use it.